Good morning. Today we will review one of NetSuite's leading practices for the order-to-cash process and how this helps businesses meet their objectives. My name is Mary Williams and I'm the CEO and founder of Projects Analytics. We are a NetSuite solution provider. I will portray several roles from a company that just recently transitioned to NetSuite from a legacy on-premise ERP consisting of various disparate systems and manual processes. They encountered many of the challenges depicted on this slide. Month-end close took over 40 days, cash flow suffered due to long days sales outstanding, IT costs were skyrocketing, customers were losing confidence due to long delivery cycles, and the company determined they were in no position to expand their product offerings or to expand globally. Suite success is the culmination of a multi-year transformation effort to combine the NetSuite Unified Suite, 20 years of industry-leading practices, a new customer engagement model, and business optimization methods into a unified industry cloud solution. Data can be accessed anytime, anywhere, with any browser, on any device, and it includes a free mobile app making it easy to stay connected. From day one, NetSuite includes a complete set of roles, dashboards, reports, and KPIs, enabling customers to realize value sooner with the assurance that data is safe and secure. This depicts a high-level overview of NetSuite's leading practice for order-to-cash, illustrating the progression of a sales order from initial entry, where the rep will be warned if the customer has exceeded their credit limit, then perhaps to sales order approval by the sales manager, and then on to inventory for fulfillment and shipment. Upon fulfillment, accounting can bill the sales order and await payment, utilizing various AR metrics and aging reports in order to be proactive with monitoring the collection process and improve cash flow. Today, I will start the order-to-cash process, portraying the role of a sales rep. Since the COVID era began, I usually work from home or to break the monotony from a corner in Starbucks where I can enjoy a leisurely coffee and follow up on leads and opportunities. I just received an order via email from Blockster, a preferred customer, and I need to get the ball rolling. Prior to NetSuite, I would jot the order down, enter it on a spreadsheet, and then email, fax, or deliver the spreadsheet to the home office for further processing. This resulted in order processing and shipping delays, errors, customer dissatisfaction, and was not integrated with our legacy ERP system. Now I can log into NetSuite from my satellite office at Starbucks and enter the sales order, confident that the data will be updated in real time and the order processed efficiently. From day one, I've been able to utilize a pre-configured dashboard created specifically for my role as sales rep, leveraging years of leading practices. And it contains reminders and shortcuts and metrics, all designed to help me perform my tasks efficiently. Prior to entering the sales order for Blockster, I like to review their customer record, so I'll use my global search to quickly access Blockster's customer record. Once I access the customer record, I have a 360-degree view of information pertaining to this customer, including a history of sales transactions, all of which are drillable to the source transaction. I can view items previously purchased to get an idea about the purchase behavior of this customer and perhaps provide ideas for upselling on this particular order. On the Financial tab, I can double-check the credit limit as well as the current open balance and AR aging, though I will be warned if this order exceeds the credit balance. On the Communication tab, I can review all prior communications in one spot regarding this customer, making it easy to stay informed. On the Relationship subtab, I can view all of the contacts in the event I need some clarification on this particular order. There are many shortcuts to creating a sales order in NetSuite. I will just use that directly from the customer record since I'm on the customer record. Once I access the sales order, I can start to populate the sales order with the line items ordered by Blockster. I'll select Add Multiple because Blockster has ordered 2 iPads. I'll select the 2 iPads and then just enter the quantities that they've requested. And when I'm done, I can view the inventory status, in other words, quantity on hand and available, as well as the pricing information that is pre-filled from the customer record. NetSuite also supports customer-specific pricing. I'll access the Shipping subtab just to be sure that we're shipping to the correct address, and on the Accounting tab I can verify the terms associated with this customer. Upon completion, I can save the sales order. Once the sales order has been saved, the status will change to pending approval, indicating that it's been routed to my sales manager for approval before being released for fulfillment. NetSuite enables me to spend more time securing more business and tracking leads and opportunities versus maintaining manual sales order system that we used prior to this transition. I'll now switch roles to that of the sales manager, where the sales order has been routed for approval. NetSuite's easy to access from my notepad, so that the sales order processing and shipment is not delayed if I'm not at my desk. As sales manager, I am able to view a dashboard that is geared to my responsibilities with reminders such as sales orders to approve, shortcuts to forecasts and opportunities, as well as key metrics pertaining to our sales performance. The reminders, such as sales orders to approve, are actionable links, and I can approve all orders as a batch or individually. Here's our Blockster order. Upon accessing the sales order, I like to verify the pricing, which can pre-fill either from the item record or the customer record. This was a particular problem prior to our transition to NetSuite. I can also double-check the shipping just like the salesperson does and the accounting terms. Once I approve the sales order, notice how the status changes to pending fulfillment upon my approval. The system is updated in real time and the sales order is now routed to the inventory manager for fulfillment. NetSuite has greatly improved our order entry and validation process, and we look forward to implementing auto-validation and approval rules in the next phase. I will now switch roles to that of the inventory manager in order to fulfill the sales order. My dashboard provides access to reminders such as orders to fulfill, shortcuts to transactions that I typically utilize, as well as metrics pertaining to my inventory performance. Prior to NetSuite, I would receive sales orders that were created manually, and many times I would not receive the order for several days, delaying both fulfillment, shipment, invoicing, and ultimately payment. Since NetSuite is fully integrated, my reminders, such as orders to fulfill, are updated immediately after the sales order has been approved. I can perform my tasks much more efficiently and accurately, and my customers have noticed the improvement. Once I access all of the orders that need to be fulfilled, I can fulfill them as a batch from one location, or I can pick and choose the orders I would like to fulfill. Here's the order from Blockster. Once I access the sales order, I like to double-check the inventory status, what's on hand, what's available, and what's committed, to be sure I avoid errors which might delay fulfillment and result in customer dissatisfaction. I'm able to be fully informed prior to fulfilling an order because data is updated in real time. Once I fulfill the order, I will then be accessing the item fulfillment record, and I can actually print a pick list to use for fulfilling the order. Once I save, the status of the sales order will change to pending billing, and the sales order will now be routed to AR for billing purposes. Additionally, an automatic email notification will be sent to the customer, indicating that the sales order has been fulfilled. Now that the order has been fulfilled, I will switch to the role of AR analyst to create the accounts receivable invoice for Blockster. Blockster greatly appreciates being informed about the sales order process from the point of initial entry through item fulfillment and shipment, and now to creation of the AR invoice. The customers are kept fully informed at each step of the way. That's been a great improvement since transitioning to NetSuite. My dashboard contains important reminders such as sales orders to invoice and important shortcuts to strategic reports such as AR aging and various performance metrics enabling me to maintain the status of our receivables and monitor trends. I'll select Sales Orders to Invoice. Here I can invoice all of these sales orders as a batch, or I can pick and choose the ones I would like to invoice. I'll select the one from Blockster. Once accessing the sales order, I can do a variety of things. I can bill the remaining, I can authorize a return, or I can create a deposit. I can also verify the line item information if necessary. I'll select Bill Remaining. Once I access the invoice and save, the invoice will be emailed directly to the customer. My dashboard is updated immediately, helping me to monitor our accounts receivable aging and reduce our sales outstanding. Our accounts receivable tracking and collections have greatly improved since transitioning to NetSuite. Controllers can be proactive in managing the AR collection process by utilizing various save searches, reminders, and metrics available on their dashboard in real time. This provides notification allowing AR to follow up promptly with customers, helping to reduce sales outstanding and improve cash flow. When payments are received, they can be applied to multiple invoices and apportioned as needed. Out of the box, NetSuite comes with a variety of KPIs, metrics, and reports, helping us to graph trends by sales, revenue, customers, and much more. We just received a payment from our customer, so I'm going to switch roles to that of the controller to accept the payment. My dashboard has been configured with reminders and KPIs such as receivables balance month over month and shortcuts to my financial statements, all of which are updated in real time. Blockster's check stub contained the invoice number that they're paying, so I'll use my global search to quickly access that invoice record and then to accept the payment. I can deposit the funds directly to the cash account or to an undeposited funds account, which groups payments together and helps facilitate bank reconciliation at month end. I can auto-apply the invoice amount to the oldest invoices, or I can select them individually. Our Blockster invoice has been selected since we initiated the process from that invoice. Notice I can record a discount taken as well as revise the payment amount. I can also apply credits and deposits. I utilize the payment method to identify that we received a check, and I can record the check number. In a future implementation phase, we will implement credit card processing and electronic funds transfer, making this an even more efficient process. Upon completion, I can save the payment, and upon saving, all of my metrics and reports will be updated in real time. Month-end close is more timely, accurate, and efficient since we implemented NetSuite. Let's recap some of the order-to-cash challenges that can be greatly improved with NetSuite. With NetSuite, we can improve the order entry and validation process while eliminating various legacy, disparate, and siloed systems, resulting in cost reductions and improved efficiencies. Shipping and billing are fully integrated, enabling orders to be fulfilled efficiently and billed in a timely manner, all the while keeping the customer informed at each step of the process. Profit margins, working capital, and days sales outstanding have greatly improved. We've been utilizing our real-time dashboard with reminders, notifications, and various metrics designed to support our specific jobs and roles. Customers are happy because they receive excellent and timely service. Since implementing NetSuite, we are poised to expand our product lines and/or to expand geographically. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing how NetSuite can help your company grow and scale while improving your business processes.